The components required for this experiment are ESP32 board, 4-channel relay, connecting wires, connecting cable and 4 bulbs. Now we need to upload the program to the ESP32 board. For that, go to this drop down, select this edit button. So here the port is already selected. We are using ESP32 dev module. So select that from the list and click on the OK button. Now click this arrow button and upload the program. Now the program is successfully uploaded to the ESP32 board. Now we can check the output. For that, open serial monitor. Here select the baud rate same as what we mentioned in the program, and now press the EN button in the ESP32 board. Here now we got the IP address 192.168.147.8. Copy this and paste in the web browser. And now we can check the output.